Welcome to Math Talk 23. Today we are going to learn addition using beads. First question, 3 plus 2 is equal to. First நம்ம என்ன எத்தனை beads எடுக்கணும்? 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Next plus 2. 1, 2. Now count the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Next one, 5 plus 4. So first 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Next one, 7 plus 8 is equal to. First 7 bits you have to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now count the bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer is 15. Okay. So இந்த மாதிரி beads போட்டு ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்க. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you all.